Welcome to English Pro Free Audio English Lessons. The history of football in the UK. Football is one of the most popular sports in the UK, with millions of people playing and watching it every year. But how did football come to be such an important part of British culture? Here's a brief history. Early origins. Football has been played in various forms for centuries, but the modern version of the game began to take shape in the UK in the 19th century. The first recorded football match took place in 1863 between two teams of London clubs, and this led to the creation of the Football Association, FA, in the same year. The FA established the rules for the game that are still used today, including the size of the pitch, the number of players on each team, and the use of a round ball. Professionalism and leagues. In the late 19th century, football became increasingly popular and began to develop into a professional sport. The first professional football league, the English Football League, was formed in 1888, with 12 teams competing against each other over the course of a season. The league was a huge success, and other leagues soon followed, including the Scottish Football League and the Welsh Football League. Cups and competitions. Alongside the leagues, football also developed a number of knockout competitions known as cups. The oldest football competition in the world is the FA Cup, which was first played in 1871. The FA Cup is open to all teams in the UK, from amateur to professional, and is one of the most prestigious prizes in football. International football. Football quickly spread beyond the UK, and international matches between national teams soon became popular. The first international football match took place in 1872 between Scotland and England, and this led to the creation of the British Home Championship, a tournament between the four national teams of the UK. The Home Championship was played every year until 1984, when it was replaced by separate competitions for each country. Today, football is a huge industry in the UK, with the English Premier League being one of the most popular and lucrative leagues in the world. The Premier League has 20 teams that play each other twice over the course of a season, with the team at the top of the league being crowned the champions. Football is also an important part of British culture, with many people supporting a team and attending matches regularly.